In this video series, we will complete a Revit project in 12 easy steps. Please subscribe to our channel for future updates. We have created a door of 3 feet 6 inches by 7 feet in our previous video. Now let's see how we can add custom window sizes in Revit. Go to Architectural ribbon and click on the Window button. Here in the Properties panel of Windows, we have a window family named as fixed 36 inches by 48 inches. Now click on Edit Type. We will see the properties of the fixed window. Now click on Duplicate and write the name of your desired window size. We will write 4 feet by 6 feet. Now press OK button. Now we will change the height parameter to 6 feet and width parameter to 4 feet. We will also change the type mark as W1. Now press OK button. Now let's create another window. Click on Edit Type and duplicate our previous window. Now type in 6 feet by 6 feet as name. Here height is already 6 feet. We will change the width to 6 feet. In the type mark parameter, Revit has automatically changed the type mark as W2. Now let's draw our first window on our plan. We will work on our level 1. When we bring our cursor on the wall, the window plan view will show its placement position. Revit will automatically show us the center of our wall. Now let's place another window on right side wall. We will draw our second window on front and rear walls. Now all our windows are placed on our plan and we can see them in 3D view and elevation view. We can make adjustments in elevation view also. Click on Window and change the sill level to 1 feet. We can see that the 3D view has also updated. We will quickly change the sill level of all the windows. Our doors and windows are ready. In the next video, we will assign tags to our doors and windows. What do you think about the video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.